The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hawesville, Lewisport, Candleton, Petrie, Skillman, Goring, Adair, Belleville, Victoria Crossroads, and Floral. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. for the following county: Hancock, Kentucky,